Hi guys, welcome to one more video on my channel. Today we're gonna learn an important topic in biochemistry called the cellular respiration. But do you know what is biochemistry? Well, let's see. Biochemistry is biology and chemistry. So if biology studies the life and chemistry chemical reactions, though it teaches about chemical reactions in organisms. So we need to know what is cellular respiration. Well, the cellular respiration, the process where cells make energy. Remember when you were a kid and your mom said, eat everything to get strong? Well, that's it. In this video, you're going to understand how this works. There are two types of cellular respiration. They are aerobic cellular respiration and anaerobic cellular respiration. The difference is that aerobic cellular respiration uses oxygen and anaerobic cellular respiration doesn't use oxygen. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is a drawing of a mitochondria. Wait, you don't know what is a mitochondria? So that means that you also don't know what is a cell. I made a video explaining what is a cell, and I'm gonna leave this video in the description if you wanna see. Oh, and I forgot to say that this energy that cells produce is called adenoid triphosphate. Adenoid triphosphate, or ATP. So firstly, let's talk about the aerobic cellular respiration. It consists of 3 steps. They are the glycolysis, the Krebs cycle or citric acid cycle, and the electron transport chain, or ETC. Now let's start. Glycolysis. The process is glucose. This is a drawing of a glucose. In the cytoplasm, glucose is broken down into 2 molecules of pyruvate. And this releases 2 molecules of ATP and NADH. Now, in the Krebs cycle, the pyruvate enters the mitochondria and is converted into acetyl-CoA. And this releases carbon dioxide, CO2, and more NADH. And the acetyl-CoA is further broken down, releasing CO2, carbon dioxide, 6 NADH, 2 molecules of ATP, and 2 FADH2. Now the electron transport chain, the hardest part and the last part. In this stage, NADH and FADH donate electrons to the transport chain. And electrons move through the chain, pumping protons and concentrating them in a single place, for example here. Here are the protons, and then they flow back to the mitochondria through the ATP synthase, producing 34 ATP. And finally, oxygen binds with protons and electrons to form water, and this produces a total of 38 ATP. And this was the aerobic cellular respiration. Now let's go to the anaerobic cellular respiration. Now let's talk about the anaerobic cellular respiration. Like I said, it doesn't use oxygen. So let's go. So glucose is broken down into 2 molecules of pyruvate, and it produces 2 ATP. But here the pyruvate is converted into other molecules depending on the organism. Step 2, fermentation. There are 2 types. lactic acid fermentation and alcoholic fermentation. So the lactic acid fermentation is where pyruvate is converted into lactic acid, and this happens in mussels or bacteria. And the alcoholic fermentation is where pyruvate is converted into ethanol and CO2, carbon dioxide, and this happens in yeast or in some microbes. It generates NAD+, a molecule necessary for glycolysis to continue, and the total ATP production just 2 ATP. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment below if you want me to teach more or any other subject. Bye, see you in the next video.